Am I live? Hello, Anju ji. Hello, Neeti. Am I audible and visible? Hello, Madhu ji. Okay. Thank you, Anju ji, for telling me that I'm visible and audible. Shall I start? Hello, Jaswinder ji. Hi, Mamta. Hi, Tanvi. Hello, Neetu ji. Okay, I'll start. Hello, everyone, once again, and good evening. And my name is Tamanna, and I've recently initiated Khwahish by Tamanna, which is a unique chicken curry collection for the modern woman. And I'm trying to do this directly with the artisans and with the manufacturers. I'm trying to promote this handwork embroidery on the both domestic and the international fronts to support these local artisans. Okay, I would like to thank Mrs. Anju Handa for giving me this opportunity. And I must tell you that She Connects is the best social club in Delhi, initiated to promote women empowerment. Thanks to Mrs. Anju Handa, founder of She Connects, to provide this opportunity of e-pop-up exhibition on Facebook Live. Hello, Poonam ji. Before I start my exhibition, I think there was a problem in the video, so I'll just start it again. I'll just try to throw some insight into chicken curry, which is the word itself. It means embroidery, and this started. Hello, Jyotsna di. Is this started? The literature says that it started in the 17th century by Noor Jahan, the Mughal empress, and it was basically worn by the people of the kingdom. And now it has made its domestic presence and international presence everywhere. It is a preferred choice. And basically, it was done on cotton fabric with a white thread, but now it is done on a lot of fabrics like tussar, chanderi, tissue, kota, and they are 32 stitches, primarily 32 stitches used in this, like bakhia, tepchi, murri, jal, etc. And I'll just start showing my products once again. Hello, Tanvi. This is a short chicken curry dress. Um, it's a kurta, maybe an Indo-Western, and it has nice buttons over here, sleeves, and at the back there is work. This is a white on white, which looks very beautiful and elegant. Hello Vidiji, hello Tanvi. And again, it has buttons over here and some booties at the back. I'll just bring it closer. And there are a lot of sizes and shades available in this. This is a pink for those who have a love for pink, and booties at the back. This is a long kurti with with this has resham ka thread, means resham ka thread always. Thank you, Anjuji, thank you for appreciating. This has some sheen. A sheen in the thread means a normal dhaga has not been used. It's like a resham ka thread, and some embroidery at the back on the sleeves, and there is a border. White, this short one is for 1600. I'm offering a 10% discount for those who book today and maybe tomorrow. Uh, Hi Lena. Anjuji, price for which one? This orange one? This orange is at 1850, and will give you a 10% discount. Now we have a red which is completely full till the end. It's a complete embroidery, front and back. Very neatly work done, and there is work on the sleeves with a border. I have a green which is double tone embroidery in white and in green. Hi Ila, hello Madhvi ji, and at the back also. A pink. These are all Georgette pieces. I'm just showing you Georgettes, and I will just go on to the cottons. There's an chrome color with double shaded embroidery of white and chrome shade. Again, there's a beautiful border on the sleeves. Okay, thank you, Mawaji. I'll just connect with you after this thing. I'll just block it for you. Now this is something which is very beautiful. It can be worn in parties and small get-togethers. I'll just show you closely. This is semi-georgette. The same can be done on pure also, and it's a lemon color. If you see, there are some embellishments like the mirror work, and if you see the golden thread, this is called the ariga kam, which the women workers do at the home. And I must tell you that each piece takes 2 to 3 months when women work on them together. I mean, two to three women work on one piece. I am wearing a same white and a lot of shades available in this also. This another shade. I'll move on to some cottons. This is a pretty cotton in red, completely embroidered with a nice border. And at the back also there's one big boota, small booties, and there's border at the back as well. This is in cotton with sleeve works on sleeve. Ma'am, this lemon one is for 3200 before discount. Now, for those who want love chicken curry to be worn daily, this is something very basic. And hi Arpita, thanks for coming. This is something very basic, and but it looks very elegant, and lot of colors are available in this. Light green, and for those who love pink, thank you Neetu ji. And at the back also. I have two greens, both double shaded embroidery. One is with the Gota Patti, and this one is with Mukesh. So the Gota Patti that I have is not glued. The suits which have Gota Patti which is glued, that cost a little less. That's how the price is actually determined. My Gota Pattis are all stitched. I'll just show you. If you can see very closely, there are Gota Pattis, and there are golden strands, if you can see, on both the uh, corners of Gota Patti, this side and this side. So these all Gota Pattis are stitched. They will not come out. There's a beautiful white. Thank you, Arpita. Now this white has sizes, all sizes available. And if somebody who wants a plain white can take a plain white. This one is with Mukesh. Plains are also available. And these are all long length kurtas, and these are till the bottom. I have many more, but all those who want maybe can connect with me personally on my personal number, which is 9711986640. Now this is a beautiful anarkali kurta. If you can see, there is a slit also here. There's a slit, but this is an overlapping slit. Thank you, Jaswinder ji. This is a beautiful overlapping slit, and it is a completely embroidered kurta at the back and at the front. This is like an anarkali one. This is anarkali is for 4500. The white with the mukesh or without mukesh, it's for 2200. I'll just move on to some fabrics. So these are the fabrics. These things are 3 into 3 meter length, approximately 2.7 to 3. This is like an end-to-end kadhai on semi georgette. A pure is also available. It's like this. It's an end-to-end embroidery. This can be worn stitched into a hi Deepika. This can be worn stitched into a kurta, and this can also be taken as a dupatta. I had a beautiful red which somebody took for a Karwa Chauth puja. It was with the ration ka thread, and now this can also be stitched into a skirt or also be taken as a cape. I have a lot of colors in this. One is white. This is a baby pink. Same concept, and this is a gray, and this is a yellow. Thank you so much. Thank you, Simiji, for coming. This is a yellow. And I'll move on to some very exclusive collection now. This is a pure. This has work, very elegant work with beads. If you can see, they are nice, small, white and pink alternating beads with some small mirror work. There are many variants that I have for this depending on your preference and your choice. And I'll just show you. This is the front with the back, and if I'll show you the border, it's beautiful. It's like this. If you can see the border, it's very nice. Thank you, Anjuji. And this is the back, and there is a running dupatta in this. This is the border, and there are some small booties. So that's how it is made. This is a kurta and a dupatta set. So I have a lot of variants in this. I'll just show you the variants. Now this pure can always be dyed. Like I'll just show you. This is one of the variants of the same thing which I have. This is with Mukesh ka kaam. Is it okay, ma'am? Fix up blood. Is it okay now? Yes. And these whites can always be dyed into as many colors, as many time you want, it can be dyed. There are different options available in this. Now this, if you see, the entire thing, if you dye it, it comes out very nicely. And this is with Gotapatti and Ari ka kaam. Now this, if you go to any Lucknowi showroom, whether it's a brand or not a brand, this is available there at 10,000 to 12,000, maybe at 8,000 depending on the work. I on my exhibition price is basically 7,000, 7,500 depending on the work. Anybody who books it today can take it for 4,500 per piece, which is a kurta and a dupatta set, pure viscose kurta dupatta set. And here I'll just show you, this is a very deep Arika Kam which my artisans do. This is a golden thread interwoven work. And even here the gota patti is very nicely stitched on both the sides. So there are 2 3 side stitches, golden thread, which if you can see, it is not glued. Now this is again a same variant of the same concept. Anybody who wants it for parties, this is very pretty. Has a nice neckline with some arika kam, gota patti, and also thank you Mamta, and also it has some mirror work. And the back is with gota patti. Small booties of gota patti, because sometimes more is also not good. And this is the running dupatta which it has. It starts from a border with gota patti and arika kam and some small booties. Thank you everybody for this, for the appreciation. The viscous georgette starts at 7500. If you take it today, it is only for 4500. Any one which you take. Now we have collection of the short tops that I showed you, and we have long tops. I showed you some jal pieces and a kurta and dupatta set. So now this is also a beautiful kurta dupatta set. It is on kota, which has beautiful pearls in the end. Okay, sure, Deepika. This is beautiful with pearls and small mirrors. If you can see, let's show you the back. This is the back. These are the sleeves. And the dupatta. Similarly, in the kurta and dupatta sets, we have these blue blue price. Ma'am, it's for 3000. Blue quota is 3000. This is a very nice pink or light mauve with very fine neck if you want to take it for party. Jaswinder ji, blue is a kota fabric and it is a kurta and a dupatta set. There is no bottom in that. I'll show you, I have good ranges of bottom also. And this is a fine embroidery with gota patti, and there's a nice border. And same concept at the back, sleeves, and hi Sangeeta, thank you so much. And also a dupatta. Now this has two variants. One is this pink and the other one that I have is this orange, light orange, pastel, all pastel colors. I'll start with the dress materials. Pink kurta and dupatta set, ma'am, the one with the gota patti neckline is 4800. These are full dress materials, same concept as in the front is fully embroidered. These are all completely fully embroidered. There is not even an inch of space of any embroidery left. Back is with booties. Sleeves are generally full with embroidery, and when in case of a lower, there is some embroidery at the bottom and the tip of the lower. Um, Sangeeta, you can either take it directly from me, I'll courier, or maybe it is through Facebook, even you can touch base there. Now this has three options. This has a lot of colors, but currently I have three options. Lot of other options can be arranged. This is a nice pink, baby pink, and a gray. Gray is very in. I don't know. Wherever I put an exhibition, I generally find a lot of buyers for gray. This is all tone to tone embroidery. This is not, the embroidery is not in a different shade, so it looks very elegant. Now moving on to the other dress materials. This is a suit, full three-piece dress material. With gotapatti, a gray with a white embroidery. That one was with a tone to tone embroidery, which was in resham. This is a normal thread, but here we have gotapatti, and again the gotapatti is stitched. So this is the front, and this is the back with a big buta and a small and some small booties. Generally, my dress materials are not one which have short sleeves. If you want, you can make a short sleeve or a 3/4 out of it. But generally, the embroidery on the sleeve is full. And this is the salwar, a lower, a plazo, pants, whatever you want to make. This goes down on one salwar, and this is the second one. The dupatta with a border and small booties. Similarly, in this, yeah, thank you, Sangeeta. Thank you for the feedback. Similarly, I have a pink in the same concept of grey. This is a pink with a very fine border. There is a blue, again with Mukesh, and this is the border. And there is another blue which I have. Yes, Mamta, we have, thank you, Simiji. We have a lot of designs in short kurtis. I'll connect with you personally and I'll send you some pictures. Thank you, Deepika. This is a front with some nice ambiyas. And if you see, each ambiya has ari work. This is a very fine work and it takes days to complete this beautiful piece. These are all ari work, and again this gotapatti is stitched. Just show you from the back. If you can see, there's a golden thread running. So those gotapattis have been stitched. They are not glued at all. This is again the front. This is the front. This is the back. The sleeves. This is the lower embroidery. The second one. Thank you, Anjuji. And the dupatta. Now, those who have seen my Facebook page, this is there on the main page. This is a very exclusive piece and very close to my heart because got this done. These are all in the range of above 6,000, the ones which I am currently showing. Beautiful work for party work, which has beads and it has small mirrors. This looks very pretty and elegant. So a lot of shades available in this. I have a lavender and there is a yellow. I had a pink also. Thank you, Simmi ji. But pink is currently sold. But we can arrange for that also. But this takes some time to be done. Now, for people who do not want, maybe this is like a party collection, but if you want it in daily wear, there are suits, full dress materials that I have, which I'll just show the colors. These are the dress materials. Okay, Deepika. This is the front. The back. So this is the back. I hope it is visible. Sleeves. Thank you, Sangeeta. The lower. The second one. And the dupatta. Because this is for 5,500. Okay, thank you. Sure. I have a lot of dress materials and they're in cotton as well. I'll just show you. This is one shade and I have peaches and other colors also with the same. And this is a pure dupatta. And there's a separate fabric for your salwar for those who love cotton. This is another very beautiful work in cotton. It has a fine neckline. This one is for 4,000. And it has a dupatta also. This one is for 4,000. The dress materials, yes ma'am, cotton. This is cotton. Pink is cotton ma'am. I have at least 10-12 shades for these semi Georgettes. I have, okay, sure. I have green, blue, pink, and I'll just show you the colors. There's a blue, there is a baby pink, and it has a border also. Border is there in all the dress materials. This is a light lemon green and a lemon yellow and a light green. There is a dark green. Hi Sonia, thanks for coming. It's okay, Sonia. Thank you for making. Deepika, these are all semi Georgettes. I have same in pure Georgettes also. Pure is available in cotton with dupatta sets also. Only kurta fabric and the entire suit also. And a lavender. Ma'am, semi Georgette baby pink price is 3000. And if you see, there's another purple which is very beautiful border in this. No two suits are same. All the embroideries are different because this is all handwork. I'll move on to some, thank you Sonia. I'll move on to some kurta fabric and I'll just show you. This is a pure kurta fabric. Can be dyed. You can first dye it to a lighter shade and then maybe move on to a darker shade. This is the first ones which I showed you. Thank you, Deepika. The ones which I showed you in the beginning were kurta and dupatta sets. I have some courier in transit, which is a full suit in pure georgette. This is only a kurta set in pure georgette and looks very pretty. You can pair it with any pants or any trousers or any bottoms that you already have. Deepika, this is for 4000 before discount. And it has a very beautiful back. It's actually Bharawa Kaam in the front. For all my suit pieces, the front is completely embroidered and the back has booties. And these kurta fabrics, I'll show you something which is very less available in the market. It's a khadi. For all those office goers who love khadi a lot, this doesn't need any lining. And a lot of variations available in khadi. Khadi I have kurta and dupatta sets and also only kurta. Sangeeta, white pure is 4000. And this is the khadi. It's a khadi silk. And now I'm also getting some work done. There is some one more consignment which is coming. This is a simple embroidery for those who need some small embellishment. So I'm getting some work done on the neckline. So this is your front. Back is plain, but yes, there are sleeves, very pretty sleeves. They have border and they have some small booties. I have 3 4 variants in this and a lot of necklines available in this. Now moving on to more. This is in cotton, pink, with some nice work for those who have love for pink. This is the front and the back. This is on Chanderi, a lemon yellow with neck, this work at the back and sleeves. And this has one more option. I had one more pink until yesterday, but that is sold now. This is organza kurta fabric. Anju ma'am, Chanderi's for 3500 only the kurta fabric. And this is something which is very hot selling. A lot of people have taken this from me. I also have whites in this, which are dyeable, and this is all pure Parsi work and very beautiful beads. If you see, small beads. Yes, Deepika, this is yellow organza, and the one which I showed you was also organza. This is a white. This is an organza white with some Parsi work on the neck. You can get this dyed. This is dyeable. This is pure organza. This is also organza, dyeable. And if you see, the border is very beautiful with work at the back. You can take it as a white also. And these are the sleeves. Organza is 3200 kurta. Organza 3200. And this is again a semi Georgette kurta fabric. Parsi work is 3200 for kurta fabric, and they're all dyeable. This is the front with gotapatti, and this has silver gotapatti, and which is all stitched, and ari work also, and at the back. These are cotton kurta fabrics. I'll just show you. This one would be visible. The color options in these cotton are mauve, light pink. I have a white, pure white, and also a grey. Grey has this neckline also. The concept is same. Lina, which one color, if you can specify? This black. Black is 2500. This is the front, fully embroidered. This is the kurta fabric. This has a border. Back and sleeves. This is super net kurta fabric. Thank you, Lina. And this is small pearls, if you can see, small moti. and also some mirror work, front, back, and again embroidery in the sleeves. This is a very beautiful piece. Second time on order this time today. Somebody is just about to pick it, but I just thought I'll just show it to you. That one was kota and this is now tissue kota. The fabric is tissue kota with work. A lot of people, especially the women in the older group, they generally ask for pure cotton. This is pure cotton. This is not voile cotton. And I also have a collection of sarees. I just sold a few and I have just one khadi to show. Very beautiful. There's consignment which is coming and these are khadi sarees. This is the pallu with border and work and tassel and all over it's like this. This khadi saree is only for 4,000. And it has a blouse piece. I'll just show you a few more things. I have a lot of collection but I'm just I think running out of time now. These are stretchable pants. You can wear it to office, you can wear anywhere and very reasonably priced. This is only 1050. It has work and it has a small slit here and I have colors which are black, 1050 for pants and there are many more colors. Currently I have these. Thank you Sangeeta. And we also have bed sheets and we also do deliveries if you have specific requirement for children in cotton and also for menswear. We can order nice kurta for menswear and for babies and small girls also and boys as well. So that is it for my collection and I'm just trying to promote the local artisans, just trying to be vocal for local. So um, any any questions or thank you Jasvinder ji. Thank you Sangeeta. Any questions if anybody wants to ask? I can be contacted at 9711986640. My Facebook page is Khwahish Tamanna and on Insta also it is Khwahish Tamanna. Thank you Anjuji. I am just should I end this live video? Thank you Deepika. Thank you Anjuji. Thank you so much for all your motivation always. Um, should I end this live video now? Thank you Leena. Thank you Sangeeta. Thank you Simiji. Thank you Deepika. Just ending the video now. Thank you all for your valuable time and patiently listening to everything that I was saying and showing you. Thank you so much. Thank you Anjali. Okay, thank you everybody and have a nice weekend. Stay home, stay safe.